Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the app's theme files. This is where colors are defined, so it matters. Inspect theme. JSON or the main CSS for variable names and hex codes. Make sure variables match across files. Once done, run a quick search for duplicates or typos because a single mismatch breaks cascades. Make a backup copy now, then change one color at a time so you can trace effects. This reduces trial and error and keeps you from losing the working baseline. Next, you apply the changes and validate them interactively. Modify a single color variable and rebuild or hot reload because incremental edits make debugging practical. Once you rebuild, clear caches or run a hard reload so old styles don't persist. Use developer tools to toggle values live, compare before and after, and take screenshots. This helps you confirm color harmony and contrast. If something shifts unexpectedly, revert that one variable and try a nearby shade. You'll isolate the problem faster. Finally, you finalize the update and prepare for rollout. Commit the working theme with a descriptive message and include the backup reference. This makes rollback straightforward. Run automated accessibility checks to ensure at least a 4:5 contrast for body text and preview on multiple devices so color rendering holds. If things go wrong, inspect CSS specificity, cascade order, and theme inheritance. Often a higher specificity rule or missing import causes overrides, so adjust selectors or imports to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.